This is Motorola Moto E32s, and in today's video I would like to share a few useful tips and camera tricks on this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can get more manual control and for the photos that you are going to shoot. In order to do that, you'll have to enter the Pro mode, and in here you can manually regulate such things as focus distance, white balance value, the shutter or camera speed, ISO value, and exposure value. You can always set those values to be automatic, and the system will pick the most suiting value for each individual scenario. But overall, if you want to gain more manual control over the photos that you are shooting, you can absolutely use the Pro mode. The next thing is you can find at the settings of the camera. It is a watermark, so if you would like to add the timestamp to your photos, which will demonstrate date and time at which those photo was shot, you can absolutely do that, and you can also apply the device model watermark as well. So what it will lead to, let me demonstrate it here real quick. So I'll take a picture, and once I will open it, as you can see, it will have the watermark telling which device this photo was taken on and the timestamp as well. The next option, tip rather, is if you would like to disable all camera sounds and you are annoyed by them to begin with and you just want your camera to be silent, shutter button included, you can just turn off this toggle inside the settings, and now once you are taking pictures, it will not produce any sound at all. And final feature that I wanted to share with you today is also discoverable at the settings over here. It is called the Assistive Grid, and once enabled, it provides you with this little framing that divides the viewfinder space into equal squares or rectangles, I'm not sure, but anyways, it allows you to add more proportion into your pictures that you shoot, so you will be able to place some objects right in the center, or let's say at this frame or any other frame that you would like to. So basically it just helps you to position objects inside your shot way better and kind of more professional even, I would say. And basically, if you would like to make more advanced photos, you can use this tool, and it's a very handy one if you ask me. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.